Hi, welcome to the product demo of AI by TitanR. The job search market today and career development has several challenges. A few of them are resume screening inefficiencies, lack of personalization in resume submission, limited networking opportunities for job seekers, amongst several other problems. With all of these problems, one thing that we can see at TitanR is the challenge with having the right career development resources to help people get to the next level of their careers, especially minorities, immigrants, and diverse candidates who have always had the shorter end of the stick with career development. Our AI by TitanR Consulting is a product fully driven by artificial intelligence that offers a holistic approach to career services, addressing these key pain points for job seekers in the industry, helping them advance in their journey, and empowering these candidates with the necessary tools that they need to optimize their resumes, streamline networking effort, and also even do better with interview preparation. Look at this as a career coach on demand, driven 100% by the power of artificial intelligence. Here, our customers and candidates don't need to spend a whole lot of money with in person career coaches or spending tons of money with revamping resumes for different roles. AI by Titanary is going to be offering all of those services. We are starting first with our resume AI, networking AI, and job matching AI, and we would be advancing to cover letter AI, interview AI, later in the year. A little bit about the product and the way we've envisioned it. The resume AI is going to be divided into two. We're going to have a coaching section, and we're also going to have our resume document optimization. This product walkthrough, it's more of a document optimization path of the resume AI, where a candidate is asked several questions so that the AI can get the right information, the right context about their experience, the roles that they're applying to. And then they will be asked to upload a copy of their current resume. Based off of that, the step three, which is the main step, is where the resume AI is going to come up with several bullet points for the customer, the candidate to look through, get feedback, and even use that to improve the resume AI. And finally, they would get an optimized resume, fully revamped, powered by our resume AI by TitanR, based off of the assessment question that the candidate has answered specific to the role that they're applying to. Another example is networking AI. A lot of challenges exist, and candidates are not able to really come up with prompts that help connect them with the person they're trying to connect with. Now, the resume and the networking AI would be focusing on generating networking messages that don't sound cheesy, that sound really very professional, and helps connect candidates to the people that they want to connect with, picking an aspect of their careers that connects with who they're interested in making a connection with. And we have seen, based off of some of the trials that we have done, that having the right prompts significantly increases your chances of getting connected and getting accepted by somebody you like to network with. And this increases your chances of landing your job. And then we have the job matching AI. This is where we are going to be optimizing plugins that are driven by artificial intelligence, where the candidates upload their resume and they choose the kind of job openings that they are interested with. And of course, this resume will have been vetted by our resume AI. And based off of the plugins that this candidate has attached to their browsers, we are able to optimize specifically for available roles across all of the job sites that that the candidate is 100% or close to 100% match for. This reduces the challenges of a cost of a candidate applying to several roles without having a particular focus, or applying to several roles that they are not the right fit for. It reduces a lot of guesswork, and it helps customers optimize their time to use it for other important things as they try to advance their career. Those are the areas that we have currently and that we're working on for the AI by TitanR. And the next couple of months, we would be improving this. And yeah, this is just a product overview that we have for AI by TitanR for now.